has a schoolyard. What does it say? I don't know. Let's find out how to decode it. Okay.
Luckily, I know how to decode it.
Okay, what does it say?
Okay, so you go down 5.
So wait.
2, 3, 4, 5.
So how do you... on Bella, because these rows on this one, the arrows on this side, are the numbers of rows you go down. And these are the ones you go across.
Okay,
So let's count them.
That helps. 1, 2, 3. So the first letter is W.
W. And then the second one is A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So W-E.
We. We.
So wait. Oh, we don't.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
L.
2 down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
I. And then this one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
No. See, that's only one. So we just 1, 2, 3, 1.
Oh, you're right, Jade. I bet lots of people could have made that mistake.
You know, I'm usually the dumb one,
So
but...
far, it's W-E, we, L-I-K. Then 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We like.
We like.
What could those ancient people have liked? And how would they have a way to
I didn't really understand this, but okay, whatever.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2.
Wait, it's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1.
Oh, okay, so
P.
it's P.
Right. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then
I.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We like pie! Oh, so do we! I can't believe they had pie.
I don't like board.
I know, it's
Up to you.
a little weird, but a little weird.
These ancient people were really smart, and I'm usually the dumb.
Which civilization do you think?
You don't sound like it,
Okay, I guess we solved the mystery.
Let's talk more about code, though. Like, how did they find out this piece of coding in the first place? Like, how did they find out this
Well,
code?
it has a riddle.
Okay.
What moves all around the world but stays in one corner?
Okay, so let's use the other paper to figure it out.
I'll hold this
people.
paper.
Okay.
So
It's
1,
so
A.
that was A.
And then there's a space right here.
2, 3,
4.
1,
2, 3, 4.
Us.
So A,
1,
S.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. S, T.
1, 1.
Us down.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Us down.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1.
A stump. Oh, I get it.
Oh, yeah,
Because it's in the corner of the ladder. And it moves around the world.
Of an envelope, but it can go all around the world. I get it.
But how do you find out a code? Like, is there a special way? Like, if there's lots of E's, do they find out this letter's used a lot? And so that letter must be E? Is there a term for that?
I think it's monoalphabetic substitution.
Oh,
Do you think that's right?
very long word. Wish they had it shorter, like cat.
It could be
Dog.
M-A-S.
Yeah, MAS. They should name it that. Copywriting that.
Okay, so on here it says stuff like ancient writing code. Ancient writing code in ancient writing code is that.
Okay.
And then, hello,
Is there anything
Hi,
more we
hi.
should talk about in coding?
my name
I
is...
don't know.
Like, we talked about how they can find it. Well, a way that they could have made it, that they can make sure that it's not as easy to find out, You can jumble this up in whatever way you want.
We
You
have
can have it 3 rows instead.
Guys, we have to
You
put
can have A right here and N right here.
we have to put this in the museum.
I
We'd like have the decoding thing.
Well, we kind of have to go, so.
You can mix this up however you want.